So when people try to buy stuff from your website, but they get stuck on the shipping part, it's probably because the shipping settings are messed up. So there are two things of the two things. There are two types of shipping settings: shipping by money and shipping by weight. So shipping by money, how much the stuff costs, and shipping by weight, how heavy the stuff is. So where you need to go, like in the shipping settings, so you need to go here, like just here, I mean click on the website, and then this will direct you to the website builder. From here we're gonna have to go to online store, manage store, and then here we're gonna have to click on, let's click on settings and then shipping. Let's shipping for this country, for those countries here, and here we have shipping options. So here you can add the condition type. But as I said here at the beginning of the video, we have shipping by money, we have shipping by weight. So you need to set a minimum and maximum correctly so you don't get the error. And if you do that correctly, if not, it's like it's not it's not good. Okay, so the minimum order price, the lowest price for shipping, and the maximum order price, the highest price, but this one isn't included. Also, maximum order weight and minimum order weight. Now, actually, let me explain exactly by giving an example. I hope you can understand. So, shipping by money, if someone buys something that costs up to 20 euros, let's say, you can charge 8 for shipping. But if it's exactly 20, then shipping is 4, because 20 is like, it's just not the numbers don't add up. Now, you can correct me if you have you know better, but that's what I've found and that's what I read also. So here now, if let's say orders between 20 to 40, you can charge 4 for shipping. Not too bad, right? And if someone spends more than 40 euros, you can give them free shipping. It's like a big surprise gift, let's say, right? Now, shipping by weight, okay? Shipping by weight. Here, you can also have an explanation here that I inspire myself from, and also from the documentation. You can also check the weight, the Hostinger website builder documentation. Now, what about the weight? So if the stuff weighs up to 3, you can charge 8, 6. So let's say if someone if someone sorry if the stuff weighs 6 to 3 kilograms, you can charge 6 for shipping. If it weighs exactly 3 kilograms, you can still charge 6, because 3, I think it makes more kind of sense. Now, for things weighing between 3 kilograms to 7 kilograms, you can charge 6 euros for shipping. If it weighs more than 7 kilograms, you can charge 2 for shipping. Now, if you use the weight system, make sure every item has a height. Okay, and yeah, that's make sure you set here the conditions right. You can remove conditions, add more art conditions. Yeah, don't forget to add the right conditions, calculate the shipping rate, add the name there, and that's pretty much it. You can also click on here, rate shipping. You can, if you want to rate their shipping, if you want to rate shipping experience, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you have more questions, leave your questions on below. Also, if I missed something, you can leave your comments down below. So thanks for watching.